Civil engineering projects today face pressures that extend beyond design and construction. Firms across the United States struggle with rising costs, talent shortages, and increasingly complex requirements from clients and regulators. In this landscape, outsourcing is often seen as a practical solution, yet many firms hesitate because of concerns about cultural differences, communication barriers, and uneven quality. The real question is whether cultural diversity can be transformed from a source of challenge into a foundation for success. Civil engineering is ultimately about people. Roads, subdivisions, and public works are not simply technical products. They are outcomes of human collaboration, creativity, and vision. When diverse teams come together with shared goals, cultural differences enrich rather than divide. Multiple perspectives lead to stronger solutions, and resilience grows when people learn to bridge gaps in background and approach. This is the environment where outsourcing partnerships can truly thrive. The story of AXA Engineers is a powerful example of how cultural diversity can become an asset in outsourcing. Even the name AXA carries this spirit of unity, formed from the initials of the founders and their associates. From the very beginning, the company has embodied a sense of family and collaboration. What started as a small vision has grown into a close-knit team of more than 80 engineers working across 3 offices. Over the last 15 years, AXA Engineers has supported design firms across the United States with civil engineering, land development design, and CADD services. Instead of viewing cultural differences as obstacles, AXA Engineers has embraced them as opportunities to deliver added value. Vietnamese engineers contribute technical excellence, adaptability, and creativity while aligning with the rigorous standards and expectations of American firms. This balance has enabled projects to be delivered smoothly and reliably, transforming what could have been outsourcing struggles into long-term success stories. Technology has been the foundation of AXA Engineers' approach to outsourcing. Every office operates with fully licensed Autodesk Civil 3D, supported by powerful tools such as InfraWorks, Dynamo, Storm, and Sanitary Analysis, and the Autodesk Construction Cloud. These platforms connect teams in a single collaborative space where progress can be tracked instantly, designs remain accurate at every stage, and communication flows without barriers. This digital ecosystem helps overcome the distance and cultural differences that often make outsourcing difficult. The journey of AXA Engineers is also marked by key milestones that reflect its values of diversity, innovation, and integrity. At Autodesk Converge 2023, the company was recognized for showing how advanced design tools can bring global teams together. In 2024, the cover story of World's Leaders magazine told the story of how a vision born in Vietnam became a reliable outsourcing partner for U.S. firms. That same year, APAC Entrepreneur magazine highlighted AXA Engineers for reshaping international collaboration. And in 2025, being ranked the #1 best workplace in Vietnam by Great Place to Work, confirmed that success is built not only on technical excellence but also on creating an environment where people can grow. Each of these moments demonstrates how challenges have been turned into new opportunities. Nowadays, AXA Engineers is trusted by many U.S. design firms as more than just a subcontractor. With services ranging from land development and subdivision design to stormwater modeling, 3D rendering, and public infrastructure, the company delivers flexible solutions that adapt to changing project demands while maintaining dependable quality. These partnerships allow firms to reduce risks, control costs, and meet deadlines with confidence. The answer to the question is clear. Cultural diversity can indeed transform outsourcing struggles into civil engineering success when it is combined with trust, innovation, and shared vision. The experience of AXA Engineers demonstrates that diversity does not divide, it strengthens. It fuels creativity, drives collaboration, and builds partnerships that last. In a world where civil engineering shapes the communities of tomorrow, embracing cultural diversity is not only possible but essential. AXA Engineers stands as proof that success is built when diversity is valued as an opportunity for growth.